Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is January the 14th, 2021. We're going to give you all an update on Cardano. But before I do, if this is your first time watching our video, you guys appreciate it. Make sure before you leave, you hit the like button, share the video. Also, you want to subscribe here to our particular channel because we're here to give you all a heads up as to where the market is anticipated to go based off what the trap lays down for us on the price chart. Yeah, so you can actually predict the market all without being confused, all without using those pointless indicators, as well as pointless and needless amounts of research, just to get a grasp as to the potential of what these particular cryptocurrencies can really go. The trap tells you already where the market is likely to go in order to maintain profit and get the profits out the market. You guys can see right here on our last video on Cardano, which was on January the 11th, so it was about 3 days ago, that we created this forecast into the market in Cardano. I'm gonna zoom in and let us take a look at this particular coin. Now, we told you on that video that the market was anticipated to go lower, and it wasn't that far. We anticipated that we could see some support right there around 24 cents for Cardano, and that's literally where the market trap came and took the market. So when you look at this on a 3-hour chart, okay, so once we completed our video, it didn't take that much time at all for the market in Cardano to come down to our ultimate TP area. Now, when I say TP, I'm talking about take profit. That was the ultimate place to where we would have taken the profit out of that particular forecast. And it was right there around 24 cents. Okay. And it happened on this particular 3-hour price bar. And then from there, the market shot higher. It went higher in price. So how do we understand that the trap could literally bring the price back down to 24 cents and then from there see higher price? It's all about that language analysis. He told us as to where he's likely to take the market in Cardano. He even taken it all the way down to 23. So either way it go, 11.69% was had. It was relatively quick. You know, the timing of the market going down to our ultimate TP area happened real fast. So if you guys didn't see the video like in the last couple of hours of us uploading it to this particular platform, you missed it. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. And you guys can even tell that we identify support. So when you look at the market and Cardano on that daily time frame, since our video, this market in Cardano has not been trading below that, outside of the initial movement to the downside that happened relatively quick from us completing the video on the 11th. This market in Cardano is still trading well above that support area, which is very positive. And seeing the market in Cardano even trade above this area is positive too now. So over the last 3 days, this market has been inching higher in price. The trap is telling us already that he is not feeling all that weak. Now, one thing I want to show you though is right here on the couple of 3-hour time frame bars. You guys can see that we're nearing some areas of restriction still. So there's only 2 things that we're getting out the market. So the first one that we can eliminate is that the market is not in a downtrend right now. So that leaves us with 2 other options. The market will continue to trade sideways. Let me show you. We can continue to see this market bounce right in this channel, which is between 34 cents all the way back down to 24. We can see that. Or we can see this market in Cardano break that 34 cent, move to the upside and go higher in price. Those are the only 2 things we're looking for, because we now know that the market is not in a downtrend based off what occurred the last 3 days in trading. Okay, so obviously the forecast that we're going to generate today is going to be one of strength. So since we understand that, you can see that 32 cents and 34 cents will be those areas of restriction. Now I want to show you this area right here to where the market bars open and close could literally be restriction as well. So right there around 33 cents is the area of contention that we will definitely be paying attention to until the market for Cardano. Now let's take a look at the market real quick on the 5-day time frame. We're looking real good on the 5-day time frame for Cardano. Very, very good. Now, it is not too reliant. We can't be too reliant upon it because we still have a day and 13 hours left before the conclusion of this bar. But if you were to take a snapshot right now and look at the market in Cardano the way it is, I will still be forecasting that the market in Cardano will go higher. No doubts about it. But we cannot say that for surety just yet because the market price bar is not done. So what about on a 3-day time frame? Same thing. We still got a day and 13 hours left, but the market looks healthy. At least to come back towards 32 to 33 cents. So literally what we're going to go with in this forecast package for Cardano is I'm going to enter into it as just seeing the market trade sideways. Okay. As we see the next 2-3 trading days occur and what the trap does within that time frame, if we see more strength, then yeah, we're going to anticipate the market to even break our ultimate TP area and go higher in price. Because everything is still on course to see the market in Cardano go higher in price. We're still seeing the market trade above that ascending line. The market trap is still exhibiting to us that he wants to hold price above 22 cents, now 28 cents. So let's do this real quick. Switch this back over to the daily time frame. And we're going to hold that support area right there around 28 cents now. It might be a little bit lower, 27.5, but we'll hold it there around 28 cents. And then I'm going to switch it back over to the 3-hour time frame so you can see some areas of restriction. Okay. So 32 cents is restriction. There is a shallow area of sellers there into the market in Cardano, but we're not going to try to TP the market there. We're going to try to TP it around 33 cents, ultimately back up there towards 34. Okay. So TP 33 in between 33 and 34 cents, which is about 8.5, maybe, 5.5, 5.25%. Okay. And that's it. We're in position. We have our anticipation of where the trap is anticipated to go into the market. One thing that I also like, and show you, is that the market trap has already shown us that he wants to hold support at 30. Okay, so we can actually potentially bring up the support area towards 30 cents, but we're not going to do that. So this is it. Now is your turn. Tell everyone in our community your thoughts about Cardano. Are we going to see this market continue to go higher in price, or are we going to see it continue to go lower? Tell everyone your thoughts and your opinion into the market for Cardano. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and now go and trade different.